Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Earning 13,000 rupees by creating resumes on Fiverr requires a combination of factors, including your skills, marketing efforts, and the quality of your service. Here's a detailed plan to help you work towards that goal. 1. Set up your Fiverr profile. Create an account on Fiverr and optimize your profile. Choose a professional username, write a compelling bio, and upload a clear profile picture. Highlight your experience and expertise in resume writing to attract potential clients. 2. Create a resume writing gig. Craft a detailed gig description that clearly outlines the services you offer. Specify the types of resumes you can create, entry-level, professional, executive, etc., and mention any additional services you provide, such as cover letter writing or LinkedIn profile optimization. 3. Showcase your expertise. Build credibility by showcasing your expertise in resume writing. Highlight any certifications, relevant education, or professional experience you have in HR or recruitment. Include samples of resumes you have created. Ensure client confidentiality by anonymizing the content, to demonstrate the quality of your work. 4. Offer different packages. Create different pricing packages to cater to clients with various needs and budgets. For example, you can offer basic packages that include resume writing and formatting, and premium packages that include additional services like cover letter writing or keyword optimization. 5. Set competitive pricing. Research the market rates for resume writing services on Fiverr and set your prices competitively. Consider factors such as your experience, the level of customization required, and the complexity of the job market. Initially, you can start with slightly lower rates to attract clients and gather positive reviews. 6. Provide exceptional service. Communicate promptly and professionally with clients. Understand their career goals, target industries, and specific requirements. Tailor each resume to highlight their skills, experience, and accomplishments effectively. Offer revisions to ensure client satisfaction with the final product. 7. Encourage client reviews. Request clients to leave reviews and ratings on your Fiverr profile. Positive reviews play a crucial role in attracting new clients. Delight your clients with your service, and kindly ask them to provide feedback once the project is completed successfully. 8. Market your gig. Promote your resume writing services outside of Fiverr to expand your reach. Utilize social media platforms, professional networking sites, and relevant job boards to showcase your expertise. Offer valuable resume writing tips through blog posts, videos, or podcasts to position yourself as an authority in the field. 9. Expand your service offerings. Consider diversifying your resume writing services to cater to a wider audience. For example, you can offer resume design services, optimize resumes for applicant tracking systems, ATS, or provide career counseling to guide clients in their job search. Remember, building a successful resume writing business on Fiverr takes time and effort. Continuously improve your skills, deliver high-quality resumes, and provide exceptional customer service to attract more clients and increase your earnings. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.